Disneyland. Wow. So I'm eyeing to take a position on some NVDA calls here real shortly. And I already posted my idea for why I am bullish today in the trade ideas tab. 13% trade off some NVDA here. Super easy ass trade, guys. You literally just told you guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yo, that's super cool. So good morning, guys. It's literally the next day, 7 a.m. over here in Tokyo. You guys can see the Los Angeles time. It's currently 3 p.m. for them. So market already closed. And unfortunately, as you guys saw, we was up last night late trying to trade. But guys, literally no positions at all whatsoever. No trades. And SPY didn't do nothing really. So again, today is another one of those days where we're going to spend the whole day in Tokyo, enjoy ourselves. And then for tonight, when the market opens, we're going to see how much money we can make. If we can make any money, of course. I haven't even took a single trade since I've been here. It's currently Wednesday, so we're gonna see what else we can catch. And as usual, guys, if we catch anything, we're gonna show you guys. So stay tuned. And so far, we've been enjoying it. So I'll see you guys on the vlog. Made it to Disneyland. Lots of people here at the. We made it in. That mountain looks crazy. This is what we're eating at Disney. In Tokyo. That's wild. Now here we are in Disneyland. We just did DisneySea. Now we on Disneyland. Wow. Disneyland. Sure? I know, bro, it doesn't go all the way though. This is what we're dealing with right now, guys. 3 a.m. LA time. Gotta watch Disney show. So far, this is what SPY is doing. Alright, guys, so Wednesday, 9:33 a.m., April 9th, and we're gonna head out and enjoy ourselves in Tokyo once again. Literally no trades these past 2 days, and I'll show you guys my orders when I come back home and show you guys transparency, of course, per usual. That I literally took no trades these past 2 days, and it will break down the whole market and then trade later on tonight. Yo, that's super cool. Wow. Big ass trade. Okay, so we just did some shopping. Let me show you guys what the fuck we finna open though. We got some Smeeskis. And let me show you guys something. Here we go. First Smeeski down. I already know it's a laptop. It's a laptop, guys. Come on.
Oh, you got 3 for one.
I got the 3-pack. Okay, we still got another 2. That was 50% chance. See, the guy told us he did it for us. He's nice. What are these ones? Guys, I'll take it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Koi fish. Snake. Currently 2:59 p.m. Beautiful. Super cool. That's crazy. That's crazy. Market opens in 30 minutes, guys. As you guys can see here, Los Angeles time. Oh no, an hour from now. So a whole hour from now, market opens. And I already posted what my trade idea is in the Discord. Guys, even though I'm busy, I've still been posting my ideas. So that being said, we're gonna see what market does. So we're back home. It's currently 11:01 p.m. guys. Market just opened 30 minutes ago in Los Angeles or Pacific Standard Time. You guys can see literally it's 7:01 a.m. 30 minutes after the market opens. And guess what, guys? Guess what trade I'm looking at? It's NVIDIA. Let me show you guys. So I'm eyeing to take a position on some NVIDIA calls here real shortly. Next week contracts, guys. This thing's going crazy. Market's going crazy. And I already posted my idea for why I am bullish today in the trade ideas tab. Just gotta clean my phone real quick. But you guys can see I was bullish on SPY on the hourly time frame, potential double bottom, plus an inverse head and shoulders on the hourly time frame, guys, and we freaking got that pump. So make sure you're in the Discord, guys, because constantly updating them with what's going on in the market. And here is NVIDIA, guys. NVIDIA looking very strong. Pretty much probably going to take an aggressive entry on this one and just get in for a next week expiration. This market looks like it's going to bounce here very hard, and I don't want to miss out on this one. We just caught a fat-ass 13% trade off some NVIDIA here. Super easy ass trade, guys. You literally just told you guys what we was finna do, and it fucking happened. First trade of the whole week. Let me show you guys the proof. So here's what we're gonna do. There's literally no screenshots. Show you guys the proof. Plus, matter of fact, before I even do this, let's look at this, guys. Look at this. 1,400 per usual. It's been showing the same account since I've had this, guys. So again, let's start from April. I don't know. Let's do Sunday since we're in Tokyo time, so it's gonna be a little bit weird. Okay, so boom, the 6th through the 9th. Let's see how much trades load up. If they even load up, because again, we didn't take no trades all week, guys. It's literally Wednesday right now. You guys can see here. I gotta clean my camera. So it's literally Wednesday, guys, and we haven't took a trade all week. You guys can see. I'm going back to my thing. It's literally not loading anything because, guys, again, we have not took a trade all week, guys. Our first freaking trade just printed a nice profit off this NVIDIA quick trade. Probably held it for a little bit more, but hey, it is what it is. We're gonna take this little $56, call it good, and let's move on and probably even go to sleep, guys. Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm exhausted. What I do like though is that Tokyo, the Pacific Standard Time, or the New York session, the New York Stock Exchange opens at 10 p.m. So imagine you're enjoying your day. Maybe you had a long day at work. Maybe you already have a 9-to-5 job, and then market opens for the stock market in New York, and then you trade at 10 p.m. for, I don't know, a couple hours till 1 a.m. and then go to sleep. Or you do this full time, enjoy your whole day, do everything you want to do, and you spend your whole night trading, making money, and go to sleep for the rest of the day, afternoon, and do it all over again. Like, I can see Japan being one of those fun places where you can just trade around here and just enjoy yourself trading New York City Stock Exchange. But guys, I'm so glad we got out of this trade. Look at this, guys. So we just got in and out, very quick in and out trade. Literally less than 10 minutes of me being in this, or 20 minutes of me being in this trade, and we just made it quick money. So, anyways, I hope you guys had an awesome day. I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's vlog. To be honest, we're just gonna go to sleep, guys. It's already 11:06. We just need to go to sleep, guys. So. Catch you guys in. I hope you guys have been enjoying these vlogs. Hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. I'm just enjoying myself in Tokyo with my girlfriend and her family, and we're going to just continue on shopping and enjoying some stuff, guys. Let me show you guys something. So, I mean, obviously you can argue that you can find cheap clothes anywhere, but I do have to say that not only in Japan is it about 30% off since the USD conversion rate is a little bit cheaper, but guys, I got four things for under $47. Do the math. Do convert what this is in yen to USD. Same thing with this, guys. It's literally only $13 here. 1.990 is $13 and something cents in USD. So this is a very nice material shirt. Very cheap. Same thing with these shorts here. Very nice material, very cheap. Same thing with this shirt here. Very nice material, very cheap though. Guys, this is plug. But I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's vlog. I'm about to just chill out for the night, go to sleep. Easy trade, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video.